Want to use powerful AI models like DeepSeek, Llama, Qwen, and Mistral without spending thousands of dollars on GPU? These are the 5 best API for open source LLMs right now. And number 1 might be the smartest choice for developers in 2026. Open source AI models are becoming insanely powerful, but running them locally still requires expensive hardware, huge amounts of VRAM, and a pretty complicated setup process. That's exactly why AI API providers are becoming so important. These platforms host the models for you, manage all the infrastructure in the background, and give developers simple API access while only charging for usage. So here are the 5 best API for open source LLMs right now. Number 1, DeepInfra. Taking the number 1 spot is DeepInfra, one of the fastest growing platforms for accessing open source large language models through a simple API. Over the past year, open source models like DeepSeek, Llama, Qwen, and Mistral have become incredibly powerful. In some cases, they're even competing directly with closed source models from companies like OpenAI and Anthropic. The problem is, running these models locally can get very expensive very quickly. You need powerful GPUs, large amounts of VRAM, and constant infrastructure management. Most developers, startups, and smaller companies simply don't have the resources to handle all of that themselves. And that's where DeepInfra becomes valuable. Instead of downloading massive model files and configuring AI servers manually, DeepInfra hosts everything on its own GPU infrastructure and gives developers instant access through an API. That means you can start using advanced open source models in minutes instead of spending days setting up inference systems. One of DeepInfra's biggest advantages is its DeepSeek support. DeepSeek models have become extremely popular because of their strong coding, reasoning, and math capabilities. But running larger DeepSeek models locally can require multiple high-end GPUs that cost thousands of dollars. DeepInfra removes that barrier completely. Another major reason developers like DeepInfra is its pricing model. Instead of paying for expensive dedicated servers, users only pay for the tokens they use. So if your project is small, the costs stay low. And if your application grows, the infrastructure scales automatically in the background. DeepInfra also supports OpenAI-compatible APIs, which is a huge advantage. In many cases, developers can switch from OpenAI to DeepInfra with only minor code changes. That makes moving to open source AI much easier and far more affordable. Number 2, Cloudflare Workers AI. At number 2 is Cloudflare Workers AI, one of the most interesting platforms in the AI infrastructure space right now. Cloudflare is already one of the biggest internet infrastructure companies in the world, and now it's using that massive global network to power AI applications. Workers AI allows developers to run open source models directly on Cloudflare's edge network, which means AI applications can respond faster and closer to users around the world. The platform supports popular open source models like Llama, Mistral, and DeepSeek, while removing the need to manage GPUs or inference servers manually. One of the biggest advantages of Cloudflare Workers AI is scalability. Developers can deploy AI-powered applications globally without worrying about back-end infrastructure, server management, or traffic spikes. For developers building fast, scalable AI apps directly on the web, Cloudflare is becoming a very powerful option. Number 3, Groq. Coming in at number 3 is Groq, a company that became famous for its insanely fast AI responses. Unlike many providers that rely mainly on traditional GPUs, Groq uses custom-built AI hardware designed specifically for low-latency inference. And the result is speed that feels almost instant. That makes Groq one of the best platforms for real-time AI applications like voice assistants, AI agents, coding copilots, and live chat systems, where response time really matters. If speed is your top priority, Groq is easily one of the most impressive platforms in the AI space right now. Number 4, Alibaba Cloud AI Platform. At number 4, we have Alibaba Cloud AI Platform. Alibaba has been investing heavily in AI infrastructure and open source models, especially through its Qwen family of LLMs. The platform gives developers tools for machine learning, model deployment, inference, and large-scale AI workloads, all powered by Alibaba Cloud's massive infrastructure network. One of the biggest advantages of Alibaba Cloud is enterprise scalability. Companies can build and deploy large AI applications without managing hardware themselves. As open source AI continues growing globally, Alibaba Cloud is becoming one of the major players supporting that ecosystem. Number 5, OpenRouter. At number 5 is OpenRouter, one of the most convenient platforms for accessing multiple AI models through a single API. Instead of creating separate accounts for different providers, developers can use OpenRouter to access hundreds of models, including DeepSeek, Llama, Claude, GPT, and Qwen, all from one platform. This makes OpenRouter incredibly useful for testing, experimenting, and comparing different AI models quickly. For developers who want maximum flexibility without constantly changing infrastructure, OpenRouter is a great choice. As open source AI continues improving, platforms like DeepInfra, Cloudflare, Groq, Alibaba Cloud, and OpenRouter are making advanced LLMs easier and cheaper to use than ever before. Whether you care most about speed, pricing, scalability, or model access, these API are helping power the next generation of AI applications. Check out the links in the description below. Like the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.